Hey guys, so this is Tony from Tony's Tips. We're about to shoot a video. So I got my friend Michael here, Jimmy, and Michael. So I'm going to show you guys, a lot of people say, you know, we don't have enough equipment or they don't have the time to get a workout in. This workout's only going to last around 6 minutes. And everything that I've got here is free. All 3 of these tires I got for free. If you don't know how to get free tires, you can watch my video. Basically, tractor companies, tire companies don't have the money to shred the tires, or they'll give them to you for free because they have to pay to shred them, right? So this is an awesome workout. You can get an awesome workout in. We're going to have a little bit of a competition here today, so you're going to see me, Michael, and Michael flipping tires and racing. Basically, we're going to go down and back. We're going to flip the tire. We're going to jump inside it. We're going to jump outside it. We're going to run back around and then flip the tire again. So this is a great example of a CrossFit style workout. I'm going to add a little bit of a surprise to the end too.
All right, everybody, go!
Yeah.